Hey, Matilda. Morning. How's life?
Hey, Liam. Morning. Honestly, not bad, but I'm slightly annoyed.
Uh-oh. That tone usually means money is involved.
Yeah, you guessed it. I checked my bank account this morning, and my salary is basically gone again.
Already?
Yes, and I just got paid like 3 weeks ago.
Yeah, that feeling. Wait, didn't I just get paid feeling?
Exactly. And the worst part is, I don't even know where the money went.
That's actually very common, like extremely common.
Good, because I was starting to think I'm just terrible with money.
You're not. Most people aren't bad with money. They're just unaware.
Unaware sounds nicer than irresponsible.
Way nicer. So, for anyone watching, by the way, I'm Liam.
And I'm Matilda. And today, clearly, we're talking about why salaries magically disappear every month.
Yep, no scams, no secret thieves, just everyday habits that quietly eat your money.
Quietly is the key word. Because if someone stole £500 from me, I'd notice.
Of course.
But if £7 here, £12 there, £25 somewhere else, I don't feel it.
Exactly. That's how money disappears. Death by 1,000 tiny cuts.
Okay, rude, but accurate.
Let's start simple. When you say your salary disappears, what does that actually look like?
Okay, real numbers. I get paid. I pay rent. I pay bills. That part I expect.
Right.
But then, groceries, coffees, Ubers, random online shopping, eating out because I'm too tired to cook. Suddenly it's day 20 and I'm like, oh, so we're surviving now.
That's the part people neglect. Not rent, not electricity, it's the I deserve this spending.
Hey, I do deserve things.
You do. We all do. But our bank accounts don't always agree.
Fair.
One big reason salaries disappear is something called spending leaks.
That sounds gross already.
It kind of is. A spending leak is money that leaves your account without you really noticing or remembering why.
Like subscriptions?
Exactly. Subscriptions are the classic example.
Okay, confession time. I checked my subscriptions last month. I was paying for 3 streaming services, and I only use one.
There it is.
And a fitness app I downloaded during a new me phase. I haven't opened that app in 8 months.
Yet, it opens your wallet every month.
Painful.
Now imagine this. £10 here, £15 there, £8 somewhere else. It feels small.
But together?
Together, it's serious money. Sometimes £100 to £300 a month.
That's a lot.
That's groceries, savings, and investing.
Or stress reduction.
Huge one.
Okay, so spending leaks are one reason. What else?
The second big one is lifestyle inflation.
That sounds fancy.
It's actually very simple. Lifestyle inflation means when you earn more, you spend more.
Oh, yeah, that's me. When I got my last pay rise, I didn't think, let me save more. I thought, nice, I can upgrade my life.
Exactly. Better phone, better clothes, more eating out, more convenience.
I started taking Uber instead of public transport
Classic example.
because I was like, I work hard. I'm tired.
And again, that's not wrong. But if every upgrade becomes permanent, your salary never feels enough.
That's scary because no matter how much people earn, they still complain.
Yep. I've met people earning double what they earned 5 years ago, still living paycheck to paycheck.
So it's not about how much you earn.
Not only, it's about how fast your spending grows.
That hits.
Let me tell you a quick story. Early in my career, I got a decent raise. I immediately moved to a nicer place. Then nicer furniture. Then more dinners out. Within 6 months, I was just as broke as before.
Oof.
I remember thinking, how am I earning more and feeling the same?
That's literally how I feel right now.
That's lifestyle inflation quietly canceling your progress.
Okay, so spending leaks, lifestyle inflation. Anything else?
Yes, another big one is not having clear money buckets.
Money buckets?
Yeah, most people treat all their money as one big pile.
That's exactly what I do.
So when money comes in, everything feels spendable.
Until it's not.
Exactly. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear.
That sounds deep.
It's also very practical. Simple example. If you don't separate money for savings, spending will eat it.
Because spending is loud and boring.
Very loud. Savings is quiet. Boring, yes, but very powerful.
So what should someone do? Like, realistically, not some extreme stop enjoying life advice.
Good question. First step, awareness.
Ugh, that word again.
I know, but you don't need spreadsheets, just honesty.
Like checking bank statements?
Yes, once a month. No judgment, just curiosity.
That already sounds uncomfortable.
It is the first time, but it's also eye-opening.
I did it once and thought, wow, I eat out a lot.
Most people discover food is their biggest leak.
And convenience.
Big one. We pay to save time, which is fine as long as it's intentional.
So intention is the key word.
Always. Second step, pay yourself first.
I've heard that phrase. Never really understood it.
It simply means save before you spend.
Not what's left?
Exactly. Because what's left is usually nothing. Even 50 pounds, 100 pounds, automatically moved.
So I don't see it?
Exactly. Out of sight, out of spend.
I like that.
Third step, question upgrades.
Like asking, do I really need this?
Yes! And also, is this a permanent upgrade or a temporary treat?
Oh, that's a good one.
Permanent upgrades are dangerous. Temporary treats are fine.
So salary disappearing isn't about being bad with money.
It's about small habits repeated every month.
That actually makes me feel hopeful.
Good, because this is fixable.
And not overnight, right?
No rush. Money is a long game.
Okay, final question. If someone watching feels broke, stressed, and confused, what's the one takeaway?
I'd say this. Your salary isn't disappearing. It's being quietly spent without a plan.
And once you shine a light on it,
You get control back.
that's a good place to end.
Yeah. Awareness first, perfection later.
Thanks for this, John. I feel calmer.
That's always a good sign with money.
All right, everyone. If this conversation sounded like your life,
You're not alone.
and you're not bad with money,
You're just learning.
see you next time.